Okay, according to the customer complaint, there's no heat, but this drop motor, when it spins or when it runs, makes loud noise, pitching noise, and grinding noise. I see that there's water stain here. So what happened was the moisture go up and out to the outside, inside of the moisture and drop back and come back here and went into the inner of the drop motor, and that's what it killed the motor. So because of that, when I replace a new one, a new part or new drop motor, there's no warranty for the part because constant moisture is coming back. So that is an issue that we cannot resolve unless we had to repipe the whole pipe to prevent the moisture drop back. So I'm gonna replace this new motor, and they should be able to get the heat back and should not have that noise anymore. Okay. Today is February 7th, 2025.